Okay, everyone, welcome back. I'm gonna get right into it. We're not gonna waste any time. We're gonna show you how to get discovered as a skateboarder. Let's go. We're gonna open up your Instagram app. I'm gonna show you right now. All right, so here's my Instagram app. We're gonna go down here to the magnifying glass, search, and that's what we're gonna start our quest right here on the search menu. I already have it ready. I said you got to make a list. So I have 3 sets of hashtags that I use. I have this set of hashtags. There's probably like 22 in here. Then I have another set of about 25 hashtags in here. And this is the hashtag set that I've used this recent time. I started off using some of these hashtags over here. These are some of my lower hashtags that have like maybe 1 or 3,000. And then these are a mix of some small hashtag count and larger hashtags. And then I'm using these hashtags currently. This is my list that I made. All right, so let's start with the first one here. The first one on the list is skateboard park, right? So let's go over here to Instagram. Oh, let me show you real quick. This is my latest post. You may have seen it. All right, so this is the latest post I have. I posted this one 4 hours ago as of this recording. Now, if you go down here into my comments section. Okay, if you go into the comments section, you'll see that I put I don't think there's 30. There's probably like 22, 25 in here. But I have all my 30 hashtags in here. You don't have to have them in a single file line like that. That's just what I do to organize it. Okay, so this video has my 30 hashtags in the comments. We're gonna start with the first one here, skateboard park. And this is from the list that I just showed you. This list right here, I just copied all these. And after I posted my video live, I posted them in the comments section. Now we're gonna start with the first one, skateboard park. Now this skateboard park, if you can see up there on the top above the blue follow button, it has 16,000 people who have used this hashtag. That I guess that's 16,000 people in the world forever in time, up until this point in time in life, have used this hashtag. That's how popular it is. Now this top post section is what I was trying to tell you. You have 369, you have 9 posts that are in the top post section. If you're in this top post section for any hashtag, you will most likely be discovered. People are gonna click on you. They're gonna find you, discover you, and they're gonna add you as a friend. I've used this strategy to grow from, I had like 57 followers and now I'm at about 370 in a few months. And I have not been doing that many posts. I've been doing about 1 post a day. And if I increase the amount of posts I do, obviously I'll grow even faster. So that's what I'm starting to do now. Okay, so the same post that you see here, this post here in the middle, that's my post. And as you can see, I made it in the top post for the hashtag skateboard park. Now down here are other people who have used the post, but they did not make it into the top post. And the way you make it into the top post is to have them immediately after it is posted, try to get everyone to like it as many times, look at it as many times, comment on it as many times as you can. If Instagram sees that people love what you're showing to the audience, Instagram is gonna show it to, like, let's say if you liked my post, Instagram is gonna show it to your friends. And if your friends like my post, all of your friends are also gonna be shown my post by Instagram in the discovery section. So that's why it's very important. And that's how you rank in the top post. Now, if you look down here, these people also are here, but let's see when this one was posted. This one was posted 15 minutes ago. We'll scroll down. This one was posted 1 day ago. So you can see already in one day, so many people are using this hashtag that in 1 day, you'll be bumped down all the way down here. And let's keep scrolling. Let's see how far back this is. This one was posted 2 days ago. So in only 2 days, so many people are using this hashtag that it manages to bounce you all the way down there. Now the odds of somebody scrolling way down there just to find little old you is going to be, I mean, it's pretty tough to imagine that. How many times do you usually scroll down there? You know, you got to think about that. So that's why it's important that you want to rank in this top post right here in the very top. So let's go to the next hashtag, skate rats. It's 11,000 posts. There you go. You see me right here on the top. There it is. Asinine Skateboards ranked on the top. Right there, safe and sound where I want to be, so that way people can discover me. Next one is skateboarding clips. 19,000 posts. There I am, right there on the top. So, I mean, that's pretty good that I'm competing here. Hey, I'm no pro, man. I'm still learning just like all of you are. So right there on the top for skateboarding clips. And then I have skateboarding is forever. Let's see where I'm at there. Right here on the top post, right there where I want to be so people can discover me. Skateboard collector. I may not rank on this one. Oh, there I am. Wow. Let's keep going through it. Skateboarding saved my life. 20,000 people have used this hashtag. I'm right there on the top. Great. This is awesome. This is great. This is just what I want to see. This is going to help me grow a lot. Skate Mexico? I don't know. Let's see. There I am. I'm on the top. Awesome. And because I'm on the top, if you go to the post, you see it says 114 views. You're going to be getting a lot of views because you're on the very first post. People are going to find you. They're going to view you. So in just a few hours or minutes, I don't know when I posted this at 7:41 p.m. I guess. 2 people have saved it. I have 204 accounts reached, and it's 52% of them were not following me. So I mean, I got a lot of people looking at me that were not following me. That's good news, right? It says down here on the bottom, 252 impressions. I was on the explore page 2 times with this post. 8 other people found me from other sources. So I mean, this system works. Let's go down. That's Skate Mexico. Let's go to skateboarding is fun, or skateboard is fun. This one's for 24,000 posts. So you see, I'm not in the top post for this section. Let's see what this person has. 4,000 views. 12 likes, 1,000 views on this one. So I think for me to rank on this one, I might need to have somewhere between 4,000 views, maybe 1,000 views. And I don't know, this one also has 45 comments. So for me to rank for this one, it would probably be that I need more engagement. But if I scroll down far enough, there I am. I'm down here on the bottom. I'm not too far. I'm not way down here like these guys, but I promise you by tomorrow morning I will be down there. And that's why it's important for me to post again tomorrow and a few times today to make sure I am on the top. Now let's go to skateboard deck. I'm on the top post. So I mean, you're getting the hang of it. I'm not going to do this for all of them. Let's go down here to skate photo. 52,000 posts. I'm on the top. That's awesome. That's great. I'm growing. I love that. And this could be you, and I want this to be you. I really want every single one of you out there to be on the top post for something, you know? This is good. This shit is stuff people don't teach you. Let's see right here. The world of skateboarding. I'm not on the top post here, but I'm right there. I'm like literally just a finger scroll away. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to do some research. You can use my hashtags if you want. If you want me to send you a copy of my hashtags, just DM me and I will make sure to get you a copy of my hashtags. I hope that makes some sense to you. So first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna look for hashtags that are relevant to you and whatever you're doing. So you're gonna, let's just go skateboard, right? I don't know, I'm just being generic here. Skateboard car has 34 posts. That's probably too small. You don't want to do something like that because no one would ever search that. You probably want to start on like, look, skateboarding is fun. That has 1 million posts. That's probably too big. Things like this that are too big, if you're not big enough yet to be on this, you'll get lost. Like, let's scroll down here. Like, I'm starting here. This one was posted 17 seconds ago. Look, watch this. gonna scroll down pretty far. Slow phone. It's a so slow phone. Okay. Look at this. I scrolled way down here and this one was only posted an hour ago. So that means in 1 hour, that post that was at the very, very top is gonna be ranked way down here at the very bottom. No one will ever find them. They're gonna be buried up under all these videos. I don't know. Let's just click on this one. Look at that. Way down here. This one's posted 2 hours ago. So unless you have an account that's really big with a lot of comments, a lot of likes, maybe 70, 80,000 followers, you probably should not try to rank for these million hashtag posts because they're gonna screw you in the end. Like you could start with this one, like kickflip a day, 3,400 posts. You know, start with these small hashtags that are real little like this. And when you're on the top post for this one for a long time, eventually you'll start getting discovered. So just make your list of hashtags. Start from 1,000, 2,000. You're gonna find a 3,000 hashtag, a 4,000 hashtag, and just keep going through them until you find something that works. So you might use this skateboard clips hashtag for 2,000. Then you might use another one, kickflip shoes for 10,000, and just keep going by until you find some hashtags, 30 of them, and put them in your post.